Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back again with me Muhammad Fauzan Hafiz. In this moment, I want to make a tutorial video how to make seblak. What is a seblak is? Seblak is the traditional food from Bandung. It's very famous and many people like it and become the favorite food in Indonesian people. And it's made by crackers and with a spice and water. Spice like, and this spice is very important in this dishes is galingel. So don't miss it when you cook the seblak because it's important. Okay, let's start with the ingredient first. I will show you. The first thing is, like I said before, it's crackers. I already sink the crackers into water because if you don't see if you don't put the water into the crackers, if when you cook the crackers it take a little bit long time to make it um, it cooked. And the second is, like I already told you, the second is galingel. Because I don't have the fresh one, I use the galingel powder. And there is an egg. There are also red chili. This is a spicy chili. And shallots, garlic, cabbage. This is Chinese cabbage, or I searched it in the internet. Is His name is mustard. And for the seasoning, there is uh sugar, MSG, salt, pepper, is a chicken seasoning, chicken, and oil, of course, and water. Maybe that's all for the ingredient. And for the utensil I use, there are like a pan. I don't use mortar and pestle this time because I want to make it little fast and quick. So I use a mixer for grinding the spice like chili, shallot, and garlic, and many others that I already explained. And pan, mixer, of course spoon, and spatula, stove, gas, plate, maybe bowl. Maybe that's all for the utensil. Okay, let's begin for the step for making seblak. Okay, first step is you must clean the garlic skin with a knife. Oh, I forgot the utensil I use also is a knife. Like this, you can open it careful. Like that. Oh, I also add the turmeric. What is this? I forgot. In Indonesia is kemiri. And then like this. And for the shallots, I also peel the skin. Okay, maybe I will skip this video because it takes a long time. Okay, this is the how the look. The shallots and the garlic already peeled by a knife, and the next step is we going to chop the vegetable. This is cabbage and Chinese cabbage as mustard, and like you can cut like this and this, so you don't need to cut it for little size because it's usually cut like this. And for the Chinese mustard, we're going to cut in here, and we don't use this one, so just cut around this size like this, and then like this until already cut it. Okay everyone, I already cut the egg, already chopped the cabbage and Chinese cabbage or mustard, and now I want to wash it with water. But are you curious what I spared this vegetable? Because cabbage is need a long time to cook than this Chinese cabbage, so I spared this vegetable. Okay, and now let's wash it with water. Wait. Okay, like this. Maybe I will skip also. Okay, it's clean now, and then next step, let's chop, let's green the spice and ingredients that are already left with mixer. Okay, let's chop the chili like this. It's hard. I don't have three hands, so my I don't have what in. Oh, I forgot. Just cut cut the garlic like this. Cut the shallots. Hey, this, and put into the mixer like this. Okay, this is the ingredients I already. The camera is not good enough. And you can pour the water around, maybe like this, you see, and then add maybe a spoon of oil. Oh, okay, and then you can green it. Okay, now green the ingredients with mixer. Okay, the next step, this is the spice and ingredient that already green on the mixer. And now prepare the pan, and I already poured the oil, maybe around 6 spoons of oil into a pan, and you can turn on the stove in medium heat. Maybe like this. Okay, you can change the heat if you want, and then you can pour this ingredient. I almost skip again because it's very Okay, you can see in here, you can use your spatula to mix the ingredient until it's cooked. This is the crucial thing when you cook seblak. Make sure it's cooked properly. Oh, I just forgot about the garingel because I use the garingel powder. You can pour when you cook the ingredient, but if you use the garingel, you can green it with another ingredient, maybe around 2 spoons of garingel powder. After the ingredient half cooked, you can add an egg. I'm so sorry because I will pause this video again. Okay, I already added the egg, an egg. An egg. You can just destroy this egg like this. Wait, okay, like this. Make sure the ingredient not fully mixed with an egg. Like this. You can use your spatula slowly. Okay, you can okay, when an egg already half cooked, you can pour together like this. Nah, harus masukin air deh. Okay, pour the water. Yeah. Okay, you can pour the water after that. You can see in here the color of water is very red because it's red chili. And if you want to make it little more red, you can use a chili powder or maybe something similar with that. Then I want to add another water. Okay, wait it until the water is boiling, and you can add seasoning there. Nah, jangan lanjut ya. Okay, next we add some seasoning here. The first one I add maybe 1 spoon of sugar. And then I add a spoon of salt, and then I add a little bit of pepper powder, and then I add MSG2, maybe around 1 teaspoon. Okay, and don't forget to add chicken seasoning, maybe 1 sachet. Okay, and then you can mix this water. Okay, everyone, and after the water is boiling like this, you can see in here, you can add a cabbage in here, but I add too much cabbage here, so you be better not to add a lot of cabbage. But you can add a seafood like egg roll, maybe shrimp, maybe sausage, and meatball. But I don't have any of them, so I just use the vegetable. But I don't care because I have maybe I have a lot of my family members, so I can share with them in these dishes. I already test it with my little sister here. He said it's good and spicy. My little sister like spicy because I teach, because you don't have a joy in food if you don't like spicy food, right? Okay, after maybe around 5 minutes or more than that, or maybe after the cabbage already half cooked, you can add vegetable that need a little bit more time, a little bit time. So you can add this Chinese cabbage. Wow, it's not the same black as this like vegetable. But don't worry, I would say it's a black too. Okay, the last and not least, we can add the crackers. Okay. If you want to correct the seasoning, you can add now, but I already finished with the seasoning, so maybe just wait a little bit and you can serve these dishes. Okay, seblak it's already to be served. To serve. To serve. It's delicious when you eat while it's warm. So you eat it warm, not in the cold.